So we'll start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down, crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Now bring the arms down. We'll inhale, come up onto the toes, reach the arms up. Exhale down. So inhale, lengthening up, belly button squeezed in. Exhale, control down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, heels to the ground. So inhale, keep breathing. We're going to try and stay on the toes if we can. Bring the arms shoulder level, palms facing down, and just circle the arms. And just a small circle, and then circle the other way. And keep coming up onto the toes whenever you can. And now bigger circles. So a little bit more difficult. And the other way. And coming down. So we'll do a side reach. So taking the right leg over the left, bring the right arm up. Inhale, exhale over. So nice and gentle to start with. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale to the side. Come back to center. So one more. Inhale, exhale over. Bringing the arm down. And we'll do the other side, so taking the left leg over the right. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, over. Back to center. Inhale and exhale. And center, last one. Inhale, exhale over. And bring the arm down and round. Alright, so for balance, we're going to do warrior 3. It's one on each side. We'll inhale, exhale forwards. So bringing the body parallel to the ground. So that might be as far as you go. But if you feel steady, try lifting the back leg. Toes pointing down. We're trying to straighten both legs if we can. Then may want to bring the hands forwards. Now, either stay here or come out of the pose, or we're going to come into a standing split. So we bring the hands down to the ground and lift the back leg as high as we can. And then from here we'll come to a forward bend, or not. Not this one, next one. So standing on the left, bring the right leg up. Inhale, exhale forwards, body parallel to the ground. So get steady, then lifting that back leg. So if you want to go further, bring the arms forwards, palms together. So lengthening fingertips to the back heel. Then come forward for that standing split. So hands to the ground, lifting the back leg. And then we'll forward bend and roll on up. So we'll do a high lunge. So left foot forward, right foot back. So good bend in that front knee, back leg straight as we can, pushing into the heel. We can stay here, or we're coming into runner's lunge. So we bring the right hand to the inside of that left foot, twist, and then bring the other arm straight up. Maybe even look to the hand. Then bring both hands to the ground, come to a forward bend. Now roll on up through the spine. On to the other side. So right foot forward, left foot back. And try and keep the body weight center. So if you want to, we'll come into a runner's lunge, taking the left hand to the inside of the foot and the other arm reaching up, maybe looking up to the hand. And bringing both hands to the ground, step into a forward bend, and then roll on up through the spine. And we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. The crown to the sky, placing one hand on the chest, one just below the wrist. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Then we'll bring the arms down and we're all done.